going to
Good
record.
afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon. Good afternoon. So let us start with, we have studied so many constructions, isn't it? What are the different types of constructions, different types of criteria? Can you revise it?
SS,
Uh,
SAS,
SSS,
ASA,
SSS, SAS,
Yes,
ASA,
RHS.
and
RHS.
RHS criterion, isn't it? So all the four criterias. In SSS criteria, all the three sides will be given. You have to construct the triangle. SAS criteria, two sides and one included angle will be given. You will have to construct the triangle. And then again in ASA, two angles and included side will be given. You will have to construct the triangle. So these are the different types of triangle construction you have studied. And the last one was RHS, that is right angled hypotenuse side, isn't it? So two sides or one side and the two sides, that is hypotenuse and one leg is given, and also the angle. Angle, you know, it is 90 degrees since it is a right angle triangle. So that is a construction. So what we will do, we'll draw a line, baseline, that is the base of the triangle, then construct 90 degree at a point, isn't it? Construct 90 degree at the point, and from that we will measure the measure from the other point, we will measure and then cut an arc, then join. So that was what we have learned, and I have given you two homeworks that day. Homework was not there. So two more problems are there. One problem we have already done. You have done already. M 90 degree, QR 8 centimeter and PR 10 centimeter. That was done. So two more problems are there in that chapter. After that we can wind up with that chapter. Okay. So let us start with that two problems. I'll give you the problem. Try to do it. Okay. Write down the question. Write down the question. Right. Construct a right-angled triangle whose hypotenuse is, construct a right-angled triangle whose hypotenuse is whose hypotenuse is 6 centimeter long, 6 centimeter long, and one of the legs and one of the legs one of the legs is 4 centimeter long, is 4 centimeter long. Listen children, this is a right angle triangle construction. So what is given there? Construct a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 6 centimeter long and one of the legs is 4 centimeter long. So that 4 centimeter we can take it as what?
Base.
Base. Okay. So let it be the base. So ABC, we can name it as triangle ABC. So ABC, triangle ABC. If it is a right angled triangle, it will be like this. So A, let it be here. And where is it? And the legs is 4 centimeter long. So AB, let it be at C can be here. Angle B 90 degree, let it be. So we have BC 4 centimeter long and it is given hypotenuse 6 centimeter. This will be the rough figure, isn't it? Rough figure. You have to draw a rough figure always. Let this be the rough figure. So ABC, triangle ABC. Now do the construction, all of you. You know how to construct it. So rough figure is given. Now it is easy to construct, isn't it? Draw 4 centimeter BC. At B, construct 90 degree. Okay, do it.
Ma'am, finished.
Okay, just show it. Okay. Yeah, correct. 90 degree. You have once more, show once more. That is right angle triangle 6 centimeter long. One of the leg is 4 centimeter. Yes, correct. Okay. Hypotenuse is correct, 6 centimeter you have measured,
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Okay. Anybody else finished can show me. Nakul, did you finish? You are sitting and smiling. Okay, then show. Those who, okay, Baja completed. Good, good, correct. Next, Nakul, write the dimensions, so write the measurements over there. Write the measurements. Whenever you do construction, it is compulsory to write all the measurements over there. Integers. Afrin has asked a doubt. You have to construct, you have to take integers. I think Parvati, Gopika Parvati, Amrita have done the project and sent it to me. So if you have completed, anybody have completed, you have done it by your own, you can send it to in my WhatsApp. Okay. I think one of you have asked, Suraja, I think, I don't know who, before Gopika and Parvati did once, I think Is it Suraja or Baja? Baja. Okay, Baja can send it. Okay. Baja, send it to me and let me see. Let me check. So she have integrated it with max. Temperature, time, graph and all. Okay, good. That's enough. Baja also can send it. Whoever finish, you can send it. I will just go through it and give you the remark. Okay. Yes. Those who have finished, show me now. Yes, Nakul, you write the dimension, the measurements, and that's all. Okay. Yes, Shahaban finished. Hashir, any idea what is going on in the class? You entered late. Here they are doing the constructions. That last day I have taught RHS condition, RHS criterion of construction. I have given a question to do. This is the question. If it is possible, you do it. This was the question.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay. Show me. Who is that?
Ma'am, Nazrin.
Nazreen, show. Yes, correct. 6 centimeter you have taken, isn't it? Okay. Yes, anybody else? Noor Al Haya, switch on the video. Ashwin P. Sunil. Agash completed? Agash.
No, ma'am, I'm doing only.
Finish it fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, finish.
Yes, show. You can show me. Ashwin. Renown, did you show? Yeah. Just raise it up. Ashwin, just a little more, you raise up. I can see. Same position, you can raise it up. Yeah, okay. I raise it up, little more, you raise it up. I can see the question. Yeah, okay. Correct. Okay, Agash, Jonal, have you done, finished?
Ma'am, I am doing it.
Okay, yes, Gopika, correct. Okay, I think I'll draw it. Just check yourself. Check your answer. Our base was 4 centimeter, then 6 centimeter hypotenuse. First draw base 4 centimeter. Take the scale, draw base 4 centimeter. Base is 4 centimeter. It is BC, isn't it? Okay, now next is we put dotted lines. Dotted lines and mark 90 degree at B. We mark 90 degree at B. At B, take any convenient radius, any radius as you like. Now you can draw the arc. Okay. So simply you can cut an arc. Like this. Then bring the compass here. Needle point here, cut 90 degree perpendicular bisector. Cut the arc. Bring it here. Cut another arc. Now take it to the top. Cut. Keep it here. You can cut it, cut another arc to cut it. Now you got the 90 degree angle. Now take the scale. Okay, then take what is the distance told from C, isn't it? And whose hypotenuse is 6 centimeter. So measure 6 centimeter in the compass. Using the compass, you measure 6 centimeter from here. Measure 6 centimeter. Six centimeter in the compass, and then you take the compass and you have to cut an arc at 6 centimeter. See this, it is the 6 centimeter from here, you cut the arc. So where is the point? Where the arc cuts the line. So there you can mark the point here. What is the point? Name is A. A. It is not clear. The point is A. The point is A. Now you can join with the scale. Just simply join with the scale, that point. Yes.
Ma'am, the small lines you have drawn, what is that?
So now remove the scale. Now what is that? You can join. So what is this?
Ma'am,
Yes, what are you asking?
the small lines, it means there after the 4 centimeter. Behind that, what are the lines?
This one.
Small
No?
line.
That is dotted
Yeah.
line just to intimate the perpendicular. That's all. If you want, you can draw. Otherwise, no need. It is not compulsory. If you draw, it will be good to get some direction. That's what. Simply, you can cut an arc. Keeping there only, you can cut the other arc. No, that's what. Here, no, this point we have to. So that's why some dotted lines are put. That is not included in the triangle. It comes outside the triangle only. Our triangular portion is this only. I'll show you this. Only that part is the triangular part. Understood? Only that portion will be the triangle. This is the required triangle. You can write it like that. What is that? Required triangle is this. So understood how to draw the triangle?
Yes, ma'am.
Now another question you take down. Next one. Next question is this. Last question in that chapter. By that we can complete that chapter. Construct an isosceles right-angled triangle. Construct an isosceles right-angled triangle. Isosceles right-angled triangle ABC where measure of angle ACB equals 90 degree and AC is equal to 6 centimeters. Construct an isosceles right-angled triangle ABC where angle ACB is equal to 90 degree and AC is equal to 6 centimeters. How will you draw this? Isosceles triangle it is. So you know what is the peculiarity of isosceles triangle?
Yes, ma'am. Two sides will be
Two
equal.
sides will be equal, isn't it? Good. Two sides are equal in a right angle triangle. In an isosceles triangle. In that, this is a right angled isosceles triangle. That means one angle is 90 degree and not only that, the other two sides are equal. Which are the sides equal? Will it be hypotenuse? Will it be equal? We cannot say because hypotenuse is the longest side. Okay. So, we can take base and altitude will be the same in measure. So we have to write,
Ma'am, are you writing something on the board right now?
yes, rough
After
figure.
AC?
AC is equal to 6
okay.
centimeter, rough figure. Rough figure. I'm going to draw the rough figure. Construct isosceles right angle triangle ABC. So ACB is 90 degrees. So angle C is 90 degree. So let it be ACB. C is 90 degree. Then we can join this. So AC will be here. ACB anti-clockwise direction. Okay, ACB will be like this. Now what is given? Isosceles triangle where AC is equal to 6 centimeter. This one is 6 centimeter. So if it is isosceles, we can take the base also as 6 centimeter. That means it is isosceles. Hypotenuse will be always greater than the
Ma'am,
yes, children, do it. Can you do? Okay. Just see how to draw it. Can I rub the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Now we can draw. First draw the baseline. Baseline, you know, it was told that it was, what was the baseline? It is also 6 centimeter. Baseline 6 centimeter. Let us take the scale. 6 centimeter you draw, baseline 6 centimeter. It was ACB at C 90 degrees. So take this as CB 6 centimeters. Now we have to construct 90 degree at C. Take the put dotted lines first. Just extend the line. From C you put some dotted lines. Okay. Let it be. Okay. Now we take the compass. Take the compass. Take a convenient radius. Any radius you can take. Keep it at this point. You can cut the arc. Cut an arc like this. And after that, you keep the compass at this point, this end. Cut an arc here. Then take the compass to this side. From here also you will be cutting one arc like this. Then you will take the compass to this side. From here you will be cutting an arc. This point you cut one arc. Keep the compass here. Then cut another arc. Now you got the point. Now remove the compass, take the scale. Perpendicular you are drawing at that point. Now just join. Okay, now what is the thing is, you have to, it is given that two sides are equal, isosceles triangle. So we can take it as leg and the height, altitude and base, 6 centimeters. So you can measure 6 centimeter in the compass and measure 6 centimeter in the compass. Take 6 centimeter in the compass. Measure 6, you are measuring 6 centimeter in the compass. 6. Now take it down. Keep the compass here. From B, not from B, from C. Okay, C, from C it is 6 centimeter. I told you it is leg and height, altitude and base. So it is here. Here is 6 centimeter. You cut an arc at 6 centimeter. Now what? That point we can mark it as A. Point, you mark it as A. Okay, that point is A. Now you take the scale and simply join. We got the 2 points, no? One is at B, one is at A. So simply join with scale. You can join with scale. That is the construction. Clear, children? So this is the construction of right triangles. You can mark it here 90 degree. So what is you have to say the required triangle is the required triangle is triangle ABC. Required triangle is triangle ABC. So we got the triangle like this. It's the triangle, full triangle. We got triangle ABC. This is how you have to draw the triangle. Clear, children? Right triangle construction. Okay. So we shall take so that chapter is over. Your portions are over actually. The remaining 2 chapters, I will just take it for your knowledge. It's not there for exam. I'll be, no need to do the questions and all. Just roughly we will answer in the class. That's all. Okay, no need to write the notes and all. You just understand what it is. That's all. Just related to some making of models and that is last 2 chapters coming. Symmetry, already you have studied symmetry last year, and the next one is about 3-dimensional figures model, how to make models using the nets. We will take cutout of paper and fold it and make the pyramids and cuboid, etc. That's about that. So that those 2 chapters, I'll be taking it. But it's not included for exam. Portions for exam I'll give you in the next class. So let me, yes, please.
This chapter will be there for exam.
This one is there, constructions is there for exam.
Okay.
Next one. Next, you give me the names, attendance, I'll mark the attendance.